Right now, I'm about to go meet up with my boy Sunrise, the famous Jamaican YouTube vlogger. Sunrise Boss TV. Yeah, man. It's a little restaurant across the street from the Airbnb. I might go check that out. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go link up with Sunrise, man. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. In the Jamaica hills with my boy Sunrise Boss TV.
Yeah, man. In a real life, man, fully active.
Fully active.
Right now we are at the beach to
Yes.
see if we can get some fresh fish and some
Lobster. Yes.
Season it up and deal with it yardman style.
Yardman style, that is it.
Yeah, man.
Big ass mountains.
Yep.
Green mountains. That's why it gotta rain in Jamaica, cause you know what I'm saying? The rain support the vegetation.
Yeah. That's it for real.
And even when it rain down here, it might rain for 2-3 minutes. It might rain for 5 minutes and it's back sunny.
And then it just go back normal.
Go back normal, and I really
But
like.
nah, like sometimes you get some rain where it's just falling, place flooding.
Yep. Yeah.
But mostly in Jamaica, it's just a little joke. We keep the plants them green.
Yes. Yeah, that's one tool you gotta use in Jamaica when you driving. You gotta use your horn in Jamaica.
Right in there, yo.
If you don't use your horn in Jamaica, like you asking for something to happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Cause he crazy.
That can save your life. This horn,
Yeah, peep. In Jamaica, we
That can-
use it regular.
that can save your life. As you can see, Jamaica is nicer than what they said it is. Water shoes. That is it. Percy, get them. Fully active in a real life.
Yeah, no joke.
No joke. Right now we're just waiting on the fishermen. They just came in with their local catch, their daily catch.
Yeah, man.
We'll go buy some fish and lobster.
Once when they have in our boat, buy it and then go out on the island and see what going on.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
The boy Isha roll some weed up.
You're not even on the GoPros. I thought you wanted to go. I thought you wanted to go YouTube famous, bro.
Yardman style with my boy Sunrise. I go cook in a Jamaica. What's 3, 2, 1?
We finna roll a blunt on a boat. Real Jamaican shit. Yeah, you can't do this in the US. Well,
When
you
we
can,
come
but, you
Jamaica,
know.
we don't live like no tourists because we're not tourists. This is our land. We're black Africans.
What's up, man?
Yeah, I was just talking you, man.
Yeah, I see you for one.
Yeah, just one.
Yard man style.
Yeah, man, you yard man thing, man.
Alright, but you wanna, I don't know. I'm just holding it and I'm probably breaking it down for you. You'll
Just
probably
put it
get.
down for right now.
Alright.
Yard man style.
Let me see. Yard man style. Fully. Yes, in our real life. First, you scaling the fish, as you see.
Yes, man.
What kind of fish is this?
This is called blackjack.
Blackjack.
Stop telling man that. Not just jack. Silver jack.
They're not a blackjack, I call them same way.
Different black one now,
I'll go and let me know fish water.
Bread, I'm go.
Yes, babe, see that? Fish there. Scale and ready for go, you know, so you know we are start roast them up here now.
Yeah, next time, yeah. Next time I'm finna stay in Ocho Rio.
So a long time we don't use up the stay away, but we are bright up back and set up the if you look at the state and about two and a half forward by
Yeah, make it more bright, clean, and make the sun come in more.
and the same old time at the boat.
Big life, live life, we trafficking, whack it in. Put it up, whack it up, it in, whack it in. Let them whack it in.
Alright, don't run that big boat. Yeah, man. Whack it in. No, I saw go next time, so let's catch you again.
Fresh lobster meat right off the grill. Fresh as you can get it
Yeah, man.
in Jamaica.
Fully active, man. Yeah, man, the sauce, they dip it in sauce, man. Bad man sauce.
She loves up, beach party, she did not tough cooks. She feel on him, what the fuck, she love fuck. Pretty lady with brains and such, but one shot a kiss on me, but she done slut. Rich nigga, she don't wanna broke fuck, so she dead to the killer like a bag of socks. Drink and drunk all night, touching at the party alright. Bad fucking bitch, back up in a fast ride. She drink on me until she start cry, don't mind. Come make my book, you want flight. Back up your ass, cause you pretty pan bike. Nibble pan your nipple, give your titty one bite. And she love the icy, cause she the sucky and slide. Yeah man, come from Japan, and everywhere we ready car we no come on. Back in a them gal throat how we no back on. Long bumbo clock clipping a me dirty glacan. She want fuck it chopper, she a suck it proper. She de broke it chaka chaka lucky full of maca. How we dey rough ride, me never bring a packer. Them me check a clacker, them me fling up on a mini backers. Put the cups up, how to get fucked up. Anytime when she under the rum, she loves up. Beach party, she lay in a tough crooks.